So as we're discussing all things mobile testing, let's begin by getting a sense of the mobile testing landscape, just the mobile landscape, basically, to begin with. There has been a straight 55% increase in the number of mobile apps downloaded by consumers to their connected devices from 2016 to 2020, which is huge. There are around 5.27 billion unique mobile phone users in the world as of April 2021, and a good 92.8% users are accessing the internet via mobile devices. Now, these numbers do tell us a story, which is that mobile phones have, and even applications now have become a integral part of our business and our personal lives today. So whether it's shopping, banking, just browsing with our need to connect, find information, and make our lives easier, we are increasingly turning to mobile apps. And that's why this underline why it's becoming more critical for businesses to build seamless applications and deliver customer experiences that never disappoint. So as a technology company, Sauce Labs' vision is to create a world of digital confidence. And due to the reality of the world we live in, consumers have increasingly moved towards online channels. And this is driving companies to respond and rapidly transform into digital businesses so they can really better interact with customers through these channels. And we have often heard of the term digital experience, but at Sauce Labs, how we define digital confidence means more than that. It's knowing that you are creating and delivering the best possible experience for your customers, that your software looks, functions, and performs exactly as intended before your customers ever interact, no matter the device they're using, the browser or the operating system. And it means that your customers trust your web and mobile apps work flawlessly every single time. So with that purpose and vision in mind, how do we see the future of test? So testing has been, and it continues to be a key component of the software development life cycle. Today, we are seeing more and more personas getting involved in testing and sharing really the responsibility of quality. So that's why it's becoming important to enable the practitioners, with agile testing tools, enabling the technology owners to get their testing right so companies can take better decisions around risk and innovation and refocus their budget towards unlocking new revenue streams. So let's understand this a little more. As the speed of delivery becomes critical, we hear it again and again from our customers. Companies are changing the way they approach quality. In the past, businesses were spending more time in supporting and fixing bugs, and on the technical end, they're focusing more on managing and reducing the technical debt, so they could minimize the negative impact of bugs on customer experiences. So as we look to the future of tests now, organizations are thinking more about features. How do we continue to innovate and build new features? On the technical side, the focus is moving from tech debt towards architectural innovation to really help them to deliver better products at increased velocity. Now, Sauce Labs is really coming in here and helping organization to swap that tech debt, for innovation with benefits like reduced time to market, the continuity, improved time to resolution, and optimizing the dev QA workflows. Coming to solutions for the tech owners, as testing is shifting left and it's shifting right, and as new tools and frameworks are emerging, dev and test are increasingly being brought closer together, so that testing can be weaved through all the stages, and it does not remain a bottleneck. With this change, the technical owners are now looking for how they can best leverage this broader set of tools and position better for the future of tests without really disrupting their existing workflows, how they can bring the flexibility of collaboration between different personas, because there's devs, there's testers, there's citizen developers, and really get that unified visibility for both front end as well as back end quality. When it comes to solutions for practitioners, we are extending the Sauce Labs platform. We've extended the Sauce Labs platform a lot, and now we're focusing on how we allow our practitioners who are increasingly having a bigger say in which tools and organizations subscribes to, right? To allow them to do more in less time and really keeping the costs in check. So it talks about managing the time and effort required to execute your manual exploratory tests all the way to your automated tests. And this includes everything from improving the release velocity by empowering every persona. So essentially anybody can be a developer or a tester. It's about solutions that give them detailed reporting and feedback from production back into your dev stages, and really proactive debugging to catch bugs before they get into production. This is interesting. Let's talk about risk and reward, which is three key aspects of speed, cost, and trust. We know that testing bottlenecks can really slow your release cycles down, but with the right speed, you can not only deliver better products, but bring them to market faster, giving you a huge competitive edge. Also, in terms of cost, I think we've all seen this research that the cost of a bug goes up based on how far down the software development lifecycle it's found, right? So fixing bugs post-releases can be 100 times more expensive, but the reward of getting it right is increased revenue. Similarly, on the trust factor, we see that delivering great experiences can turn customers into your advocates and loyalists, which will in turn help you build trust with a broader user base. So this slide really shows us the business impact for companies who get it right and for those who struggle. 25% of customers will abandon a ban after just one bad experience. 44% of customers decrease or stop spending altogether after a bad experience. But there's also the positive side, which is huge, that customers with good experiences will spend 140% more than customers who had a poor past experience. So all these numbers are significant, and they just reinstate the importance of digital confidence. As we just saw, the stakes are high, and that's why we have designed the Sauce Labs continuous testing platform. So you can really get the breadth of test coverage, get complete visibility, and also the right signals to fix your failures fast. At the top, what you see is the different application types we cover: this web, mobile, SaaS apps, and the API layer that sits across. In terms of testing, we cover both manual and automated testing. We have really expanded our platform to now support low-code tests in test SaaS applications such as Salesforce with our scriptless testing platform, Autonomic. You can also perform web services and API tests with our API Fortress platform. And we are giving our customers huge benefit with mobile beta testing capabilities with TestFairy, which we'll talk a little bit more about in a bit. At the bottom, what you see are outcomes the teams will achieve, including everything from test analytics, test insights, end-to-end visual testing, performance, emulators, simulators, cross-browser, and device testing. And we've really surrounded it all with the enterprise-level security and the technical expertise, which is very key for you to manage risk and really ensure that you're getting the most value out of your investment. These are just some great examples of how customers have benefited with our continuous testing platform. Walmart Global Tech moved from manual tests to over 50K automated tests run per day, leveraging our mobile real device cloud, emulator, simulator, as well as cross-browser testing offerings. Financial institutions like Charles Schwab, PW Bank, who have stringent regulatory compliances to meet, they trusted us to see significant improvement in bug reduction, as in case of Charles Schwab, and 60x faster deployment, as in case of PW Bank. Now, if you visit saucelabs.com, you can read more such customer success stories across different industry verticals, which might be more relevant to you. Now let's dive a little bit into mobile testing. Now, compared to web apps, we've always seen that mobile testing is more complex, and there are various reasons for it. So mobile is remote by definition. So problems on mobile devices during testing and in production happen away from developers, which really makes debugging difficult for them. There is massive variability in devices, and this is definitely more prominent for Android. There are different operating systems, form factors, which mandates testing across a wide range of devices. Mobile teams also need to account for various environmental conditions, such as network, locations, and more. So the mobile testing, that's why always gets very resource and time intensive. And also once your apps are built, in the absence of a streamlined distribution platform, mobile developers really face this challenge of getting the right versions of their apps in the hands of the right users faster, right? And really understand how users are experiencing their apps. So all these factors makes digital confidence in mobile complex. So how is Sauce Labs addressing these challenges? As we just covered in our platform slide, Sauce Labs offers a complete ecosystem of solutions, including desktop automation, visual regression testing, new test frameworks, as well as API and low-code testing that your teams will benefit from. But let me talk a little bit more about our mobile solutions here. Sauce Labs Real Device Cloud is an offering a lot of our customers already know. It offers you access to the most extensive range of Android and iOS devices for both live and automated testing, and helps you validate your app behavior in the real world scenarios, because you need that higher degree of confidence, and account for also different environmental conditions such as GPS, courier networks. There's you can test hardware dependencies. With our mobile emulator simulator offering, we really help you economically scale test automation early in that app development lifecycle. It supports high parallelization and it's optimized for your CI workflows with easy provisioning. And finally, we're really excited to add TestFairy to our line of mobile testing solutions this year. As a beta testing platform, it offers key capabilities such as Android and iOS app distribution within the same platform. It has intuitive in-app bug reporting, it has video sessions recording, and a lot more. And you will hear it in one of our upcoming session from the CEO and our customer, how they've really benefited from this beta testing platform. Now, with the addition of TestFairy, we offer the broadest mobile testing solution to help you cover the entire breadth of mobile use cases, including those edge cases which developers are looking for, right? So we are continuing to really enable the QA and SDET personas who need complete visibility into the mobile application quality, and now also better serve mobile developers who are keen to get real user feedback for their beta applications. So as we close, want to leave you all with this. Our customers are expecting reliable experiences across every touch point. We all, as consumers of software products today, expect software that just works. Now, this is such a simple statement, yet a very powerful one, which every digital organization should deeply care about.